Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Doing a tune-up report on the RCI-2970N4. This is for Bill in Minnesota. He asked us to do a few things here. We got echo coming out here. We got the bright blue keypad changed out. And in the back a few switches, one for the amplifier and one for talkback. Alright, and in the front here the clarifier has been opened up too. Let's check it out. We'll put it in AM. We'll turn the power all the way down. We'll throw the amp switch to off. We'll put a 50-watt slug in over here. And we'll dial in 10 watts on that. Okay, so we'll turn this radio down. Alright, it's about a half a watt there. If I turn it all the way up, about 2 1/4. Peak power in the 50 watts low. I was looking at that middle scale. Audio. Okay, and then sideband. Audio. Che. Audio. Audio. Che. About 15 there. Okay. Now we'll pop that switch up, right? And change this out considerably to a 500. And then we'll put this on 100 scale right here. Turn the power all the way down again. And put it back on AM. So let's check it out with the amp on. Alright, about 10 watts there, maybe 8 or 9. I'll turn the power all the way up. We get 100 watts there. And on my peak power, I got a 500 slug, so we'll be looking at. Right here is 3, 4, 5. So, AM peak power, audio, che. Audio, 1, 2. 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check. And on sideband. Audio. Check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Perfecto. Okay. I'll put that back on AM again. And there you have it. Beautiful. Reminds you of that. Alright, breaker 19 for radio check. How about a radio? Am I getting out here? Come on. I appreciate it, driver. Thank you very much.